Imagine standing on the battlefield, your body aching your enemy, circling your life hanging by a thread. What do you do? Do you give up, collapse in despair, or do you stand firm, clear your mind and move with the precision of a master? Mamoto Musashi, the legendary samurai, lived his life like a razor-sharp blade, unshaken, ruthless in discipline, and immune to the distractions that destroyed lesser men. His philosophy wasn't just about combat. It was a blueprint for life, life itself. If you feel lost, stuck, or broken, you're not alone. Life is war, and if you want to conquer it, you need a strategy. Mushi left us a path to follow, a set of rules that forge unshakable warriors out of ordinary men. These are not just ideas. They are battle-tested principles that will drag you out of whatever pit you're in and reshape you into something stronger. Let's get into it. Rule 1, Acceptance, the art of seeing clearly. The hardest battle isn't against the world, it's against reality itself. Most people waste their lives resisting what already is. They rage against heartbreak, failure, aging, loss. They refuse to accept the truth, so they stay stuck in a fight. They can never win. Mao-Shi taught that to master life, you must first accept it exactly as it is. No illusions, no false hope, no sugarcoating. If you are broke, admit it. If you are weak, own it. If you are lost, stop pretending you know where you're going. Why? Because only when you accept reality can you begin to change it. Think of life like a battlefield. If you pretend your enemies are not there, they will cut you down. If you accept their presence, you can strategize, adapt, and overcome. The same applies to your struggles. The pain is real, but your suffering comes from resisting it. When you accept where you are, your mind clears. You stop wasting energy on denial and start using it for action. And action is the only thing that changes anything. Rule 2, do not chase pleasure. Escape the trap. Most people are slaves not to chains, but to their own desires. They chase pleasure, like starving dogs believing that happiness is always just one more drink, one more scroll, one more cheap. Dopamine hit away. Mushi saw through this illusion. He knew that the pursuit of pleasure was the quickest way to weakness and ruin. Why? Because pleasure is a mirage. The more you chase it, the further it runs from you, and worse, the chase itself destroys you. Think about it every time you reach for a distraction. Junk food, social media, shallow relationships. You are weakening your mind. You are teaching yourself that discomfort must be escaped, not endured. And when real hardship comes, you crumble. The strongest men are those who reject this weakness. They do not chase pleasure. They chase purpose. They find joy, not in cheap thrills, but in mastery, discipline, and growth. They do what is hard because they know that pleasure is not something you chase. It is something that comes as a byproduct of strength. Stop running. Stop escaping. Face the discomfort. Master it. And you will master yourself. Rule 3. Control your emotions. Never be a slave to feelings. Emotions are powerful, but they are also dangerous. One moment of uncontrolled anger, and you destroy a relationship. One wave of fear, and you abandon your dreams. One hit of sadness, and you give up. Mao-Shi understood that to be truly powerful, a man must never be controlled by his emotions. He must feel them, but he must never act blindly because of them. Imagine 2 warriors on the battlefield. One lets his rage take over. He charges blindly, swinging his sword, wildly exposing himself. The other remains calm, controlled. He observes, waits, and strikes with precision. Who do you think survives? Your emotions are like fire-controlled. They give you warmth and light. Uncontrolled, they burn everything to the ground when life hits you with pain, betrayal, or disappointment. Remember, your feelings are not commands. They are signals. Acknowledge them, understand them, but never let them dictate your actions. Master your emotions, and you master life itself. Rule 4. Do not obsess over yourself. The freedom of letting go. Most people are trapped in their own heads. They overanalyze every mistake, every flaw, every moment of embarrassment. They are prisoners of their own egos, obsessed with how they are perceived, afraid of looking weak, terrified of being judged. Mushi had no time for such weakness. He lived by a simple truth. The less you focus on yourself, the stronger you become. Obsession with yourself is a disease. It makes you insecure, anxious, and weak. The more you think about yourself, the more fragile you become. The solution: shift your focus outward. Stop worrying about how others see you. Stop replaying your failures in your mind. Instead, focus on action. Focus on improving, building, doing when your mind is occupied with something greater than yourself. You stop being a slave to your ego. You become free. A man obsessed with himself is like a warrior who never looks up from his own sword. He is blind to the battlefield, and in life the battlefield is always moving. The only way to win is to stop looking in the mirror and start looking at the war around you. Rule 5. Do not be jealous. The death of weak men. Jealousy is poison. It eats away at your mind, making you bitter, resentful, and weak. It makes you hate those who have what you want, instead of focusing on how to get it yourself. Mushi had no room for jealousy in his life. He knew that the only enemy worth fighting was the one in the mirror. Comparing yourself to others is a waste of time. Their success does not take away from yours. Their victories do not make you a failure. The only question that matters is this: are you better than you were yesterday? Jealousy blinds you. It makes you focus on what others have instead of what you can build. It turns you into a beggar instead of a warrior. And warriors do not beg. They take action whenever you feel jealousy creeping in. Use it as fuel. Let it remind you of what is possible, of what can be achieved. Then get to work, because the only cure for jealousy is action, the path of strength. Life is war. It is a battlefield where the weak are trampled, the undisciplined are lost, and the lazy are enslaved. Victory does not belong to the comfortable or the hesitant. It belongs to the strong, the disciplined, the relentless. Strength is not something you are given. It is something you take, something you forge in the fires of hardship. These rules are not just ideas. They are weapons. Sharpen them, wield them. Let them carve away your weaknesses until only steel remains. Accept reality as it is, and you will never be blinded by illusion. Most people live in a dream, clinging to fantasies that shield them from the harshness of truth. Face life as it is, and you will never be deceived. Reject the chase for pleasure, and you will find true satisfaction. Comfort is a trap. The endless pursuit of pleasure leaves men empty, weak, and lost. True fulfillment is found in purpose, not indulgence. Control your emotions, and you will never be controlled by them. Rage, fear, and envy are chains. The man who cannot control his emotions is a slave to them. Master yourself, and nothing will. Master you. Stop obsessing over yourself, and you will become unstoppable. Ego is the enemy of growth. The more you think about yourself, the weaker you become. Shift your focus to action, to purpose, to battle. Kill jealousy before it kills you, and you will be free. Envy poisons the mind and rots the soul. If you waste your energy comparing yourself to others, you will never build yourself into something greater. Now the choice is yours. Will you remain broken, a prisoner of your own weakness, or will you rise, sharpen your mind, harden your body, and walk the path of the warrior? The battlefield is waiting. Step forward or be forgotten. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, let me know by leaving a comment, and if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.